Hey everyone, this is Tim at Roame, and today I'm going to walk you through our free award flight search tool. You can search from any origin to any destination and across any of the dates you would prefer. I'm going to search JFK to Paris. I'm going to choose the Charles de Gaulle Airport, and I'm going to choose January 27th. You can also set your different fare classes. I'm going to stick with business and first, and you can also change the number of travelers that will be traveling. Once I click search, Roame searches across the 17 different airline loyalty programs that we cover live in real time. And when you pull those results directly for you to filter and sort as much as you like. You can filter by the card programs, the airline loyalty programs, the number of stops, the percentage in business and first class for multi-leg flights, the max fees, as well as the max points. I prefer not stop, so I'm going to choose not stop. And here are some flight results. I like this. So this is a Air France business class on January 27th, flying from New York JFK to Paris Charles de Gaulle. As you can see on the right-hand side, it only costs 50,000 points and about $228. And there are 9 seats left. And you book this directly with Air France as part of their Flying Blue program. If you don't have enough points, you can also transfer from the various different card programs, including Chase, Amex, Citi, as well as a bunch of other different card programs. If you want more details, feel free to expand this. As you can see, this was updated about 1 minute ago, and these are the flight results. You can book directly by clicking the book link, and I'll give you the Air France website. If not, if you don't have enough points, you can transfer points from the different credit card programs. And there you go. That is Roame's free live search. I hope you enjoy.